of the day. Woo! Nice. Bring him up, Stoner. Bring him up. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Look at my boy, Stone Man.
Yeah, starting it off right.
Starting it off right. First fish of the day.
Not what we wanted to do.
All right, we're headed on out to Petty Boy. Petty Boy Island. We're having to go a little bit slow, 20 miles an hour. You can see it's not real windy. There's no white caps, but the tide's coming in heavy and the wind's blowing from onshore, creating some pretty good little swells for a flatboat. So we're taking it easy on our way out there, and we're hoping to catch some nice red and trout. Yeah, you can see we're a little bit angry in here. First fish, let's see what we got. Oh no, not one of them guys. All right, just had to go and lost him out there. Really the first, well, other than a catfish, the first fish I've had. Yeah, right at the lid. He hit you good? Yeah, oh my God. Look at the size of this ladyfish. Oh my goodness gracious. God. Alright. Alright, come here, lady. Ooh, you a good one. Come here, good one. Pretty. Go ahead. Go, I know you're a little bloody, but you're okay. There you go. Ollie? So, what you got there?
Like a hand.
Oh, you got him on plastic too? Hey,
I had a shrimp on there with him.
Oh, you did? Okay. Alright, here we are out on the east tip of Petty Boy. As you can see, it's a nice, beautiful, calm day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice red. Hey.
I'm not done.
Come on, Red. Ooh, you come here. A little bit closer. Come on, baby boy.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Woo! Hey. Redfish, baby.
Yes.
Kind of pale color. Real pale looking. Hey, be good. Be good. Ah! My second one of these. There's old Ray right there. Another lady. I thought you was a trout, buddy. Yeah, it's a dolphin. Another one. I got a little dolphin. There he is, Tony. Ha ha! Oh boy. It's not what we after, but hey. They're biting. Now, can you tell your cousin, Mr. Red, or Trout, whatever, red or trout, to come check us out? Yeah, like that. All right, get them eyes on that dude. Pretty big eyes. Oh yeah. They fun when they're that big, ain't they? They're fun when they're that big.
Oh yeah. Come here, baby. Baby topping.
Your little baby topping you? Yeah, we call them baby topping. That makes us, you know, feel like we're doing something.
Let's do it, Candy.
Look at them blue fins, boy. Gee whiz. Pretty. Whoa!
That's an airborne big time.
Oh! All right. To be a shit fish, y'all have give us a lot of fun today. A lot of fun today. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right.